Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. I want to teach you how to make a page alignment when you want to design a brochure and then designing a brochure. For instance, this is if you are talking about an A4 brochure, this is an A4 paper and you want to make an A4. If you fold it like this, it will give you an A5. So for you to change it to imagine you want to do for an A3, this will be an A3 that is twice this paper like this. So if you fold it, it will give you an A4. So now let's dive in. Let's go straight in. Let's come here. Let me shift. So now select your A3 paper here. That is if you want it to be folded to, if you want to fold it so that it will give you a full A3 like this. Like a full A4 like this. Come here, select A3, change the orientation to landscape, and then let me move this text away. Then select your ruler here. If this ruler is not turned on, come to view, then let me move away. Come to view, then come to your ruler say so that you can turn it on, or the shift for the alternate shift R from here. Let me go back. Then here press P, and then from press P, this it will align in the middle. Then now select your rectangle like this. As you can see, make sure it aligns together like that. It aligns. Then press P for it to centralize to make sure that everything is okay. So now before you start designing, you can see, just we'll move this a bit. We are duplicating this. We'll duplicate it, right click. Now they are of two sides. This is one side, this is the other side immediately. So now try to make your adjustments so that everything should be at the center. You now group it. Select this, make sure they are of the same height. I press T for that to align at once like that. I selected the two of them. So adjust it to fit in like this. This is before you start designing. Select it. Now, from here now, before you start designing so that it will not cut out, the next thing, you pick your ruler from here. You can actually measure it. I don't actually measure, but you can measure. So select a rectangle like this. Professionally, select it. Change it to inches, select, and then I used to give it from top downwards. I used to make it 0.5 to, but sometimes 0.6. So I'll leave it at 0.6, 0.6, and press OK. So now from topwards, from here, we bring here. That is not aligned. Since we zoom in, look at, let's adjust it to sit here. Then this is, keep it at this point like this, and then adjust downwards. Then again, take it down like this for it to adjust. Select this, and then you see that it should be at the outboard. Very good. So that it will blend here. And then pick a ruler from up here and then put it like the same way you're supposed to do for the edges as well. Turn it landscape. You see here. So from here, pick a ruler, adjust it, see how it sees, and then see the ruler. Another one again, bring it this way. Left, sorry, look at it here. Pick a ruler again. Let's do that same process like that. So your whole design is supposed to be inside here. This is your first page. This is your second page. Always remember, if you are designing, for instance, this is a cover. This is the front page. This is the front cover. And then this is the back page. This is the back page here. Back page. So always remember. So the same thing, the same alignment will follow from here right, I'm going to make that same alignment like this. From this one, I'll also make that same alignment, drag it like this. So now all your entire design will not be outside this line. If you are designing now, your whole text and images should not be outside this design. So you will continue doing this like that, like that, like that continuously. And then, for instance, let's say you are done with this cover, you are done with the back page. Then the next one, you go to the next page. Let's say page down. You create another page. Click on OK, and then this is it. So from here, you go down to the next page. This was your front page. This is your back page. Down, and then when you do like that, this will now be your front page. This is number one, and then this will be depending on the number of brochures you want, like the number of informations. So, or if you want, you can do it one, 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 and then you align it together. So, but for a front cover like this is just how you are going to do it. So, thank you, and I'll see you in our next tutorial. This tutorial was powered by Desmond, a request for Desmond. So, if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.